All right, so we just got sent this Vicatron 30-piece 1/4-inch shank router set. I want to show you guys what it comes with, what it looks like. And the really cool thing about this is it gives you a tray, so you can put this in your toolbox or in your workbench. Comes with a couple extra ball bearings as well, and an Allen key to swap those out, so it gives you some spare parts for these. And it gives you a really nice range of different router bits here. And again, this set is the 1/4 shank, which is going to fit my router just perfectly. And then also on this foam display here, you have 1/4-inch holes and all the way up to 1/2-inch holes. So if you have other router sets, you can use this as well. And again, this is a very rigid foam, holds the router bits very well, as you can see here. And just looking at the overall quality of these, very sharp edges. These are carbide tips. It's got good roller bearings here, so you're going to get a nice smooth finish. And you got a wide range of different profiles here. So this is definitely a nice starter set for anybody who's getting into woodworking, or even the experienced woodworker that just needs a nice set for your 1/4-inch router. So let's try one of these out and see how it works. All right, so it works really nice smooth edge there. And for the price point of these units, this is a really nice set.